Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goan coach Savio Medeira scored his first victory as the head coach of India on Wednesday evening in Kolkata. It was an important victory given that India are scheduled to play a much superior Zambia in Goa in the last week of November. Savio was promoted to the position of the head coach at the beginning of this month when his predecessor Armand Culasso had turned down a one-year extension.
Star striker Sunil Chhetri scored twice as India defeated Malaysia 3-2 in their second international friendly. The first international friendly between the two teams had ended 1-1 in Guwahati. Chhetri scored in the 39th and 53rd minute, and fellow striker JJ Lalpeklua found the back of the net in the 47th minute. The Indians played positive football and dominated proceedings in both the sessions. In fact, the Indians could have won by a bigger margin but for some inept finishing. The midfield combination of Baldeep Singh, Francis Fernandes, Rokas Lamare and Lal Rindika Ralte combined well and never allowed their rivals to settle down. Baldeep was a revelation in central midfield and stayed the pivot on which the entire Indian team revolved. Captain Rahim Nabi also played an inspirational game. Coach Savio Medeira is pleased with the performance. He was quoted as saying on the AIFF website, "The boys played their hearts out. It's good to end with a victory. We did make quite a few changes in the playing 11 and it paid off. The SAF Championship is knocking at the door and we needed to give a chance to everyone to gauge their match temperament." The victory in the second match over Malaysia will definitely boost the confidence of the team ahead of the international friendly against Zambia on November 29th at Fatorda. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Football lovers in the state can expect a big show when FIFA-ranked 80th country Zambia visit Goa for a two-game tour. This is the occasion to celebrate the Golden Jubilee of the Goa Football Association. The GFA is leaving no stone unturned to make this a memorable occasion for all the football-crazy Goans. The association has also appealed to its affiliated clubs to do their best to push the ticket sales in order to make the Nehru Stadium a fortress for the home team. Tickets will be up for sale from the weekend at Champs Outlets and Nehru Stadium.
Zambia is a powerful footballing nation and it is ranked 80th in the current FIFA rankings. The country is nicknamed Chipolopolo or Copper Bullets, as copper is one of the nation's main exports. Frenchman Hervé Renard is currently the head coach of Zambia national football team. The Zambians will surely be a very strong proposition for the Goan 11 and also for the Indian national team in the friendlies at Fatorda. Zambian contingent will arrive on 23rd November. They will play Goa 11 on 26th and India on 29th of this month. The GFA is planning to attract a capacity crowd to this stadium. Goans are known to be lovers of football, but the scenes at Indian Football League matches are embarrassing to say the least. However, the organisers have not been weighed down by this scenario and will try their best to see that the matches draw good response. Tickets are priced at 100 rupees, 500 rupees and 1000 rupees for both matches. The GFA is looking at providing complimentaries on the tickets. Transportation and entertainment programs are also being chalked out. India's victory over Malaysia is bound to generate interest and anticipation of the international against Zambia. The organisers are hoping that people turn up for the matches in large numbers, as such highly ranked footballing nations do not often visit Goa. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And with this, we come to an end of this bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.